Want to plan a high-impact event, but not sure where to start? Many organizers aim to host something glamorous and memorable, but don't know what truly makes an event a gala. Let's break it down. Need more detail? Check out our full guide. What is a gala event? The link's in the description below. A gala event is a formal, often black tie gathering, typically hosted to celebrate, recognize, or raise funds for a cause. The purpose. Galas are about more than just sparkle. They serve a purpose. Whether it's fundraising, honoring achievements, or building community, there's always a clear mission. What happens at a gala? A typical gala features a dinner or banquet, live entertainment, guest speakers, and often a silent auction or fundraising segment. Who hosts gala events? Nonprofits, corporations, schools, and community groups all use galas to bring people together and drive support for a cause. Dress code and atmosphere. Gala events usually follow a formal or semi-formal dress code. Think elegant venue, curated decor, and a high-end guest experience. At its heart, a gala is more than just a fancy night out. It's a celebration with purpose. Want to plan your own gala? Start with our guide. Link below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more event planning insights and inspiration.